So I'm currently in Enfield, Connecticut. I'm about to stop by Ricoh Theta's repair center to hopefully get my Theta S repaired. It just stopped working on Christmas Eve. It's pretty sad. I had it for about 2 weeks.
Turn right onto Elm Street.
This is the second Theta S camera that I have that has broken on me. So here we are at the repair lobby. Hey there. I'm dropping off the repair. And I also do a daily 360 video. And so I was just like, this is perfect. I'm going to the place where the camera repair place where I get, you know.
Oh wow, this is one of those thermal ones, huh? Okay.
Yeah, it just stopped turning on for some reason. I don't know.
Is it under warranty?
Should be. I'll also give you my business card before I forget. We'll probably be up in like 48 hours.
Oh my god, this is actually really neat.
It's all about transparency. But I love the cameras you guys make, or repair car, I guess.
Thank you. Oh.
But are you guys able to repair those sort of things? Like if it's a lens scratch?
Yeah, we can replace the lens.
Really?
Yeah, we can replace parts, we can do the repairs. As long as the manufacturer has the parts and materials to do it, we can do it.
Okay. Precision camera. Optical imaging and service excellence.
So that is your copy.
Yay! It's so easy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yeah, have a happy new year.
You too.
Super fast, efficient, great service. Wow, I'm happy I drove here.
Continue. Heads. Continue.
I hate when it does this.
Continue.
New Year's
Continue on
resolution.
I-91 south for 27 miles.
There you go. Thank you. Thank you. I was waiting for that. Does the Google Maps voice have a name like Siri? And if so, what is the name? Please write a comment and let me know, because I'm very curious. Can somebody find out for me? I could search it, but right now I'm driving, so probably shouldn't do